Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel C4S, a mentorship platform specially designed to help aspirants ace major competitive exams like NABARD, RBI, CBE, SIDBI, and IRDAI. But this session is specifically dedicated to AIC 2025 English section dealing with the objective and the descriptive part. So, what's the strategy to score maximum in English section? What is the qualifying marks? What is the syllabus and the pattern? What is the method you should apply while writing the questions? All these will be discussed in this session. So let's quickly get into an insight as to the post, the generalist, the actuarial, and the IT post consist of the English paper in two modes, the objective as well as the descriptive. The objective paper is of 25 marks, whereas the descriptive is of 10 marks. Same way for actuarial and for IT post, you have the objective for each of 10 marks and the descriptive consisting of 10 marks each. So English forms a basic and overall chunk, a major chunk of the AIC exams, especially for the students, those who are preparing for the NABARD, RBI, and other competitive exams. Cracking these exams won't be a major tough time, as the English section covers the same type of questions as compared to the other exams. Now, for qualifying these exams, the basic criteria is 60% is required for the general and for others 55%, and overall score to come up and qualify for these exams. Regarding the pattern of the exam, the descriptive mode will be conducted on the same day itself, and there's no negative marking for this question. The paper will be in online mode, so it means you should be an ace with the keyboard keys. And just remember one thing, that while typing the words, you need not press the enter key twice, as it obviously freezes the word you are writing. There's no negative marks for wrong answers, and the negative marking is just allotted for the objective section. Question in case if left blank, no penalty is there for that question. Then moving on, the types of question and syllabus, which is an important criteria to be considered while giving these exams. The English section consists of the objective as well as the descriptive paper. The objective paper comprises of the same type of questions as in other banking exams, like sentence rearrangement. You have reading comprehension, word swap, match the columns, error detection, fill in the blanks, sentence improvement, vocab, and close test. So this is a major good thing for the students who are giving that, to give a try to this exam, because nothing is different and all falls under the same roof. Now, the sentence arrangement, what is the technique, what is the method to solve such type of questions? Questions like sentence rearrangement, comprehension, word swap, and match the column basically deals with the reading part, the understanding part, and the writing skills of a student. So you need to have a good grip on the editorials and do as much reading and practicing and be familiar with the current affairs, with the current scenario. One thing is very much important is focused area. Have your area focused on the agricultural section, the economic development, the social issues, the rural development, the current affairs, and the schemes connected to it. Because this is the questions, these type of questions basically deals with the sentence structure requirement of the candidate. So you need to be well equipped with how to form a structure, what is the criteria, what is the basic structures required in a sentence to make it grammatically correct. Next, coming to questions like error detection, fill in the blanks, and sentence improvement. These type of questions fall in your list of grammar. You need to have a good grip on the grammar part, be well acquainted with grammars like your subject-verb agreement, which is a major zone. Then you have your fixed prepositions and you have your phrasal verbs. So these type of questions is very much required to be good enough to crack on questions pertaining to this type. Now, for the grammar part, you need not know what is a noun, what is a pronoun, because these are the basics. You just need to be a good master in these subjects so as to solve these type of questions. Moving to the vocab and the cloze test, these are the questions where you should be well versed with homonyms, your homophones, and some confusing words where you need to be sure as to what is the correct synonym or antonym of that word. Like suppose if you're given two words in the same sentence like pale and pale, you need to be good in knowing actual what is the meaning of this pale and this pale. So these words are basically given in the questions like so as to create a confusion, but students having a good grip on the vocab part will definitely be able to nail this type of questions. So this was the basic funda as to what are the type of questions coming for the objective part. For more details, you can prefer the previous year questions and get into an insight of it. Plus, the detail of this AIC is available on the website itself. Now, moving to the descriptive part. Descriptive part comprises of two major questions ranging from the essay as well as a précis. The essay questions are those questions which shows a way of expressing ideas, that too in a holistic approach. So the student must be able to form an essay in a seamless four divide of any haphazard way. This is the main thing to be done while writing an essay. Have a good grip on all the topics covered in the AIC part and the AIC content. Same, then moving on to the précis. Précis is actually a comprehensive part of the passage given, and always remember to write a title. Plus, you need to comprehend that whole passage in the 1/3 of its actual form. précis, one thing, it's a filtering content. Never use your own words or unnecessary details or facts while mentioning the précis. So these was the major zones which you need to crack on for this paper. For more details, you can log on to our website or email us at or even call us at per your convenience. Now, this is a good news for the students, for those who are trying to get into this course, that C4S has launched an AIC crash course available at just 599 rupees, which comprises special classes arranged for your quant, reasoning, your current affairs, English, and eco budget. All the topics which should be done for this exam. Plus, it is offers full-fledged, full-length test so as to have a good grip and actual the content as well as the syllabus of the AIC. For you, plus not only that, you also get expert guidance and a complete exam coverage, plus a tracking of your questions and the answers along with it. So log on to our website and get avail quickly of this offer. That was all for today's session. Thank you. Have a good day.